Hey everyone, welcome back to Affinity with Creative Grid. In this video, we're exploring one of the most powerful features inside Affinity by Canva, the Studios. They're essentially different creative workspaces you can switch between instantly depending on what you're working on. Instead of jumping between separate apps, Affinity reshapes itself with a single click. Let's get into it. Affinity uses a system of integrated workspaces called Studios. Each studio focuses on a different creative discipline such as vector design, photo editing, page layout, AI-assisted tools, and more. When you switch to a studio, the tools, panels, and layout around you change to match that specific type of work. It feels like the app reshapes itself instantly to fit what you want to do. Let's look at the primary studios you'll be using. Vector Studio. The Vector Studio is where all your core vector-based design happens. This is the place for creating logos, icons, illustrations, UI layouts, device mockups, and clean digital or print-ready graphics. Everything here is sharp, scalable, and perfect for professional design work. Pixel Studio. Pixel Studio transforms Affinity into a painting and photo editing workspace. Here you can retouch photos, create digital paintings, add textures, paint shadows, or apply raster-based effects to your vector work. It's ideal when you want rich, detailed, artistic visuals. Layout Studio. If you're designing things like magazines, brochures, posters, books, or any multi-page project, Layout Studio is where everything comes together. This workspace gives you powerful publishing tools and text-image layout control that feels similar to professional page layout software. Canva AI Studio. The Canva AI Studio brings in intelligent, AI-powered tools that help with automated adjustments, image generation, and machine learning-based design enhancements. It's especially useful for quickly exploring creative alternatives or generating elements directly within your project. You will be needing a Canva Pro plan to access the AI features inside Affinity. Slice Studio. Slice Studio focuses on exporting multiple parts of your design simultaneously. Whether you're preparing app assets, icons, or different export sizes of the same artwork, this studio lets you manage slices effortlessly without repeating your export steps. Retouching Studio. The Retouching Studio brings together everything you need for fine-tuned image corrections. It's designed for tasks like skin correction, blemish removal, and detailed cleanup work. Color Grading Studio. This studio allows you to adjust and stylize the overall tone, lighting, and mood of your artwork. It's perfect for artistic color work, cinematic grading, or shifting the entire feel of an image. Typography Studio. Typography Studio focuses completely on text. Here you control formatting, spacing, styling, and all the fine-grained typographic details that bring polished text layouts to life. Composting Studio. This workspace is designed for blending multiple images, combining assets, and creating complex visual compositions. It gives you the control needed for advanced creative merging and layering. Some studios like Liquify, Develop, and Tone Mapping don't appear by default. To reveal them, you must first switch to the Pixel Studio and then select a pixel layer. Once you do that, these hidden studios appear in the context toolbar. Liquify Studio. Liquify Studio is used to distort and reshape parts of an image. Whether you're creating artistic warps, adjusting facial features, or adding stylized movement, this studio gives you fluid control over distortions. Develop Studio. This studio opens when you're working with raw photos. It gives you full control over exposure, tone, color, lens correction, and detail, essentially everything needed to process a raw file professionally before bringing it into your main project. Tone Mapping Studio. Tone Mapping Studio is designed for working with HDR and even non-HDR images. It helps pull out depth, highlight detail, and add dramatic contrast to your photos, letting you enhance both global and local tones. Affinity Studios are highly customizable, but this is a big topic we'll cover in a dedicated video. In short, you can adjust almost everything in your workspace, turning tools on or off, moving them between studios, rearranging panels and toolbars, and repositioning or docking them as you like. This allows you to create a workspace that feels personal and comfortable for your workflow. And that's your full narrative walkthrough of the Affinity Studios system. Don't worry if this feels like a lot. We'll be covering each studio in detail in upcoming videos so you can learn everything step by step. If you enjoyed this overview, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Affinity with Creative Grid, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the deep dive tutorials coming next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.